Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything.
So guys, there you have it. That's as easy as it is to clean the bedroom. Just in the morning, get up, make the bed, clean off the nightstand, good to go. For those of you who are asking, the bees that I put over this picture here, they came from Lazy Daisy Artisan Shop, gift shop, and the artisan is, the shop is called Jersey Gypsy. So, and you guys can look on their website, Facebook page, Lazy Daisy, and see all of that stuff. And then I got this week, you guys. This is our happy place. I got this from Lazy Daisy as well, and I just loved it. I thought it made a good addition to the bedroom. So there you have it. There's my bedroom, and that's how easy it is to get it cleaned up. For those of you who do not know as well, this is a hand towel that my son brought back from Colonial Williamsburg. It says, "When this you see, remember me." And so I have that in my bedroom so that, yeah, when I see that every morning, I think of my son. So, all right, on to the next room. This is my office, and I actually did rearrange the furniture this week. Sorry I didn't take you along for that, but this room was a junk store mess. And so I just took the time this week to rearrange the furniture and clean it up. So this is a chair that I got from Facebook Marketplace, and it's specifically here for Maxwell and Tigger to sleep on when I am working. So I love my desk in front of a window, so I put it over there so that I can work from there. This is my husband's workstation over here. He's an artist, and these are some of his pictures. And then there is my piano that I practice on. And the thing that I'm most proud of is our bookcase that we made last year that are holding all of my vintage books that I actually do read. So like with other rooms in my house, on a normal everyday basis, they're not, really messy and everything. Basically because I've been at home working all week, it's made it very easy to keep up with things and clean things. I'm going to vacuum this room. I'm going to clean off the desk a little bit, and then we will be done with this one as well. So again, it doesn't always have to be a huge mess. It can be something as simple as just picking up and putting away just one or two little things, and then the room becomes clean again. You can also add some tart burners to make the room smell better or whatever, and this is an opportunity too for me to do the windows if I want to, which I don't. This video, I don't want to do the windows, but I'm just saying this is one of those times where I could think about doing the windows. That would be Mr. Maxwell saying he wants in the office. And this year we are hoping that we will be able to replace the flooring in this space. Because as you can see, the cats, basically what happened, if you look right here, we have cut away the carpet. We did that, and that's subflooring down there. That was done because the cats continued to, when they were being put in here to separate them or whatever, they would scratch at the door. Not the two that we have now, but other cats we used to have would scratch at the door, and they ripped the carpets up. And the carpet's over 30 years old, so that would be why. Enough chit-chat. Got to get this room clean. Come on, guys.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
can see the CLR was on there for about 3 minutes and didn't do anything. Didn't do anything, y'all. Didn't do anything. So I'm going to try some of y'all's suggestions as well. And we're going to keep trying on this tub, because I know there's got to be something out there that can work. So, yeah. But I don't have anything else to try right now before going out to the grocery store. So, I did, however, find something to clean this toilet. So, let me show you that. Okay, so you can see how bad those stains are in the toilet. And this is called a pumice stone.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
You don't need to scream at me like that, Tigger. What is it? What is it that you want? Huh? What is it? What? What? What is it? What is it that you want? Oh, you good boy. You want to be picked up? Yeah, you want to be picked up. All right, hold on. Oh, I have to pick you up. I have to pick you up. I picked you up, and then all you want to do is stick your butt in my face. All you want to do is put your butt in my face. What? Now you happy? I cannot work in these conditions. I cannot work in these conditions. What am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with this? Say hello. What am I supposed to do with this? I can't finish cleaning the house like this. This is why I can never get anything done. Right here. On to the kitchen.
Coming through the night.
Well, y'all, that is going to do it for this video today. I hope that it brought you some cleaning motivation. I know sometimes it's so hard, y'all, when, you know, you kind of cooped up in the house and there's snow and rain and all these kind of things, but that's the perfect opportunity to take and clean up a little bit, you know. And your house don't have to be completely like trashed in order to do some housework. Just a little bit of cleaning here and there, make it all look beautiful again, y'all. That's the one thing that I love about house cleaning, is that you can take something that wasn't looking so pretty and you can make it pretty just with a little bit of elbow grease. So yeah, I think that's going to do it for this vlog for this day in the life. I'm going to get the rest of these clothes put away, and the never-ending cycle of laundry that I'm sure you know all about as well. But anyway, it was so nice of y'all to stop by today. You know, some days it's just a boring day. You know, it's just a day of house chores. But it's always nice to know that there are others out there who have to do the same old thing as I am. And I just hope that this video, with its music and everything, will get you motivated. You know, there are many days when, y'all, I don't feel like getting up, and I don't feel like cleaning. I don't feel like doing no laundry. But you know what? That's what we're all here for, is to motivate one another. And when we do that, you know, we can accomplish it. We can get it all done. And I just love you to bits. And yeah, got all those things taken care of. One less chore, right? I really wanted to be able to say thank you to all of you who has subscribed to my channel. And so what I decided to do was, on Tuesday, I am going to hold a giveaway. If you want to be a part of this drawing, put in the description below, leave me a comment on this video that says, I want to be considered for the drawing of the Kirkland Barn print. It was hanging in my dining room. I am not going to use it. I was going to donate it to Goodwill, but I said, you know what? I'd rather give it to one of you guys. So it's pretty simple. You have to be a subscriber on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, you would need to do that in order to qualify for the drawing. Then just put a comment in the comment section below that says that you would like to be considered for the drawing for the barn. And finally, the closing of the drawing will be Monday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so everyone who watches on Tuesday will get to see who won the drawing. And then basically you're just going to reach out to me by email, marbellfarm@gmail.com, and you will provide me with some type of address that I can mail it to you. And then confidentially, I will mail that to you. We want to do it through email so that it stays confidential. No one will get that information at all. So just so y'all know. But yeah, so if you would like to win the barn print or canvas that I had hanging on my wall in the dining room from Kirkland's, I am giving that away. It was also hung in the hallway for a spell. If you would like to win that, subscribe to my channel, like the video, go ahead and put in the comment section that you want to be eligible for the drawing. And then on Tuesday, we're going to let the computer, this computer program, it's going to pick the winner. And then I will reach out to you. You will give me your mailing address and I will mail you the picture. It's that simple. So I wish you all the best of luck on that. And I'm so excited to be able to give one of you one of you guys that print. It means so much to me that I am able to forward that to one of my viewers, and I really enjoy doing that. In fact, let me go and get it so I can show it to you. So it's this print right here. It's from Kirkland's. I don't know what size it is, you guys, but it is just a canvas. It still has its little hook thingies on it. I hung it with a command strip, of course, but it was a super beautiful picture, and I really liked it, but I am actually going to, I really don't have space on my walls for it, and so I am excited to be able to give that to one lucky subscriber. So there you have it. Something new. We haven't done that before, so that'll be something new. I'm going to go ahead and put these clothes away, you guys, and then I have got to run to the grocery store. So that is going to do it for this video. I do hope that it gives you the motivation that you need to get up and get motivated and get cleaning. I'll talk to you again next time. Remember, God, who created you, He loves you guys so very much. And guess what? So does this chick right here. This country girl right here. Sure do. So until next time, guys, be kind to one another, okay? Bye.